Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well today. Welcome back to CyberWise. In this video, we're not going to be hacking any phone numbers. Instead, we'll be using some cool tools to find out more information about phone numbers. Ever got a call from a number you didn't recognize and wondered, who's this? Well, today we're going to show you how to track down some info about that number. But before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. Do not hack anyone unless you have their permission. While the info we're accessing is publicly available on the internet, your intent is key. So yes, practice and have fun, but make sure you use this knowledge responsibly. Alright, let's get started. First things first, we need a Kali machine. Make sure you've got one set up and ready to go. I'm assuming you're using Kali Linux for this tutorial, but if you're on Mac OS, don't worry, I'll walk you through the installation too. Head over to your browser. Search for Sundown Dev PhoneInfoga GitHub. Once you're on the GitHub page, scroll down and you'll see the documentation. Go to the Getting Started section and click on Installation. Upper one is for Kali Linux and you see Docker 1 for Mac OS. Now, here's the important part. If you're on Kali Linux, you'll want to copy this first command. Copy and paste the command here, hit enter. Now we need to download the necessary files. Since I'm using Kali, I'm going to choose the Linux ARM64 version, number 3. Once the file is downloaded, you'll need to add it to your system path by running this command. Copy and paste the command here, hit enter. Next, move the file into the correct directory by pasting this command. Copy and paste the move command here. Once that's done, type ls and hit enter to check if the file is where it should be. Now we're ready to roll. You can start using PhoneInfoga by typing in this command. PhoneInfoga scan-n-insert phone number here. So, for example, someone called me from this number and I want to know who they are. Let's run the scan and see what we can find. Hit enter. As you can see, PhoneInfoga is pulling up all the information related to that number. We've got all sorts of links showing where this number is found on the internet. Let's click on one of those links to check it out. Looks like someone called me from Xfinity. Pretty cool, right? Now that we've got one method under our belt, let's move on to another cool tool, Sherlock. If you have a username or even a person's name, you can use Sherlock to find more information about them. Let me show you how. First, clear everything on your terminal. In your browser, search for Sherlock Project GitHub. If you want to check out the installation instructions, feel free to take a look. Copy this link, copy the link here. Now let's get back to the terminal and type cd desktop next. We're going to clone Sherlock by typing git clone, insert link here. Once that's done, use the ls command to confirm the Sherlock folder is now on your desktop. Now navigate into the Sherlock directory by typing cd Sherlock. Type ls again to see all the files in there. Next, to download Sherlock, just type Sherlock, but I already download so I don't have to do it again. Now Sherlock put name or username. In this case, let me show you how it works. I'm going to look up my friend Jay here. Hit enter. Sherlock will now search the entire internet for information on Jay. This might take a little while, so be patient. If you want to make sure you're finding the right person, you can search either by their name or by their username on social media platforms. You have two options. Once the search finishes, you'll see a list of links with information about that person. Let's click on one of them to see more details. Looks like there's an Xbox gamer tag here, but there's nothing much on that one. Right, let's try another link. There are too many links. I don't know which is the best one. He has so many accounts on social media. Let's check out Jay's YouTube profile. He doesn't make any video. Let's see. It is empty. Alright, that's how you can use Sherlock to dig deeper and find more information about someone online. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. Remember, this knowledge is for educational purposes only. Don't use it to harm anyone or invade their privacy. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future videos. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.